Friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we have a look of Ecomi or Omi coin. What's the price change goes in a Omi coin? What's the high price? What's the current price change goes at this time in a Omi coin? In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates about cryptocurrencies markets. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the live price predictions of the Omi network of the previous last one day, friends. If we look, the average change occur in the Omi in the last one day, negative 6.58% falls down. Change occur in the price of the Omi coin in the last one day, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.009024 is the high price of Omi coin. So friends, now it's time to look the price prediction chart of the Omi coin. As you can see here, continuously falls occur in the Omi coin. That is why the change is very bad, negative 6 point. Really a big change occur in the Omi coin in the last one day. Absolutely bad change occur in the Omi coin. Now let's check it out, the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour in the Omi coin? Oh my goodness, as I told you, in the 4 hour they take a explosion. As you can see here now, at this time they start explosion. Maybe they goes high explosion, but if we talk about the average change as negative 1.52% change goes in the last 4 hour, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.008411 is the high price of Omi coin. And that is the last 4 hour price prediction you are watching now, friends. The previous hour continuously fast down as I show you the last one day, but there is a hope for all of Omi coin holders. Now let's check it out, the last 1 hour price predictions. What's the current change goes in Omi coin? Oh my god, here is surprise for all Omi holders. First of all, look at the surprises. You can see here, now they start an explosion, now they start jumping upwards. So after a great fast, now they start a very high explosion. So maybe they goes very high, very high in the future, because they continuously fast down in one day, continuously fast down as I show you in the start of this video. The last 1 hour, the current change occur in the Omi coin is about negative 0.11%. Soon they are in positive because they start explosion, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.008292 is the high price of Omi coin. And now the current price of the Omi coin is $0.008283 is the current price of Omi coin now in the market. So friends, according to the price prediction of the last one day, last 4 hour, it is clear for all of you that the 4 hour and one day both changes are in negative. But the last 1 hour price prediction tells us that now they on the Omi coin start explosion, so soon they become a very high amount of the Omi coin, and very good change occur in the Omi coin soon. The big explosion of the Omi coin are coming soon. That is why my suggestion for all of Omi coin holders, that please hold your Omi coin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit with the Omi coin. I'm not a financial advisor, that's only my personal opinion for you. What's your opinion about Omi coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos and updates about cryptocurrencies markets. Thank you so much for watching this video.